In past few videos, you discovered how you can become a learner and take the maximum lessons out of a webinar. And we left on the point where we were discussing about applying these lessons. How do we apply these lessons we learn from webinars to create a positive difference in our lives? Let's talk about it. I will first tell you my stories and then provide you a wireframe or a blueprint that you can use to turn your lessons into applications that can change your life. Once, I attended a growth hacking webinar from India's most followed growth hacker, Rohan Chaubey. The next day, I found myself creating a group of 12 people to do a growth hacking experiment on LinkedIn. I picked up 3 major tricks from the ones Rohan had told and used them to increase the profile views of all those who participated seriously by 200%. Once, there was another session on NLP this time, and they had taught me something like a 3-chair method. While I was able to apply the lesson in the session itself because I volunteered to participate, that's important. You volunteer so you get most of the learning. When I went home, I created a new method based on the other methods I had learned and created a chart for my family to put down all the complaints they had from life and from each other. I could identify patterns that were causing skirmishes between us and spoiling our kind of relationships. That helped us improve our understanding of each other. In one session, we were taught how to create a vision board, another example, and we created them for ourselves. This was done by Guru School. A fortunate thing was that they laminated the charts we created and gave it to us as gift. I still have that chart with me, and I had plotted my 5-year plan into that. Every time I see that chart, I realize how close I am to those plans. This shows that I'm actually on the right track. One guy from our session went beyond this, and instead of just using the vision board for himself, he actually conducted a session for his students on vision board and made them create their vision boards. Wasn't it amazing? There are just some of the examples of how I applied lessons from webinar in my life to make the most out of learning. But how can you apply these lessons in your life? I'll give you a framework and you can say a blueprint for that. But before I give you that, I want you to ensure that you change from attendee to a learner status. So apply the lessons that I've already given you and then invest a little amount that pinches you to increase your chances of becoming a learner. The application is the next step of learning. Unless you become a learner, you cannot really apply anything. So I cannot give you application till I am assured that you are a learner. So go to Google Playstore, download GWA Online Learning app. Take the course on Mega Webinar 2021 for a small price and then you will get to the application part. I will not just give you the application, but I will also give you a live example by helping you understand how to take notes, make a diary and use the lessons for application using one of the webinars from the previous year that are already uploaded in the course. But your lessons won't end there because you will get 9 more recorded webinars that you can use to practice your skills. And another major benefit, the big one, is that you will not just get 10 pre-recorded videos, but you will also get to attend 60 new sessions of 45 hours on 55 different topics from 1st August to 10th October this year, delivered by 45 speakers. And all these webinars will also be uploaded in the same course on the mobile app. And there is one more plus. The course that I have created has the lifetime validity, which means you can keep learning new skills and keep practicing them throughout your life as long as you are on my app. If you are already watching the video on the mobile app, congratulations! because you do not have to wait. Proceed to the next session and find your blueprint for successful learning.